Okay, Dell Inspiron B130. Let's see where's the hard drive here. And if you flip the computer, here on the bottom you see there's different cubbies like these. Okay, this is where your hard drive is, and you would need a little screwdriver. There is 2 screws here that you will have to remove. One and the other one. Now you lift the cover from here, and it's okay if it pops out a little bit. Don't worry, you can't hurt it. Now see, there's this little tab. This is your hard drive here. See, there's a little tab here. Okay, what you need to do is to pull this way, and the hard drive comes in. There you go.